Hybrid RV camping with kids. How to keep them entertained and happy on the road. Embarking on a hybrid RV camping adventure with your kids is an opportunity to create lifelong memories and instill a love for the great outdoors. However, it's no secret that traveling with children can sometimes be challenging, especially during long road trips. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey for the whole family, it's essential to have a plan to keep the kids entertained and happy on the road. In this article, we'll explore some tried and true strategies and activities to make your hybrid RV camping trip a memorable and enjoyable experience for everyone. 1. Involve the kids in trip planning. Get the kids excited about the upcoming adventure by involving them in the trip planning process. Let them help choose the destinations, research attractions, and plan fun activities along the way. By giving them a sense of ownership and responsibility, they'll feel more engaged and enthusiastic about the trip. 2. Pack plenty of entertainment. Long hours on the road can be tedious for kids, so it's important to pack plenty of entertainment options to keep them engaged. Bring a selection of their favorite books, coloring books, puzzles, and games. Portable DVD players or tablets loaded with their favorite movies or TV shows can also be a lifesaver during long stretches of driving. 3. Create a travel activity kit. Put together a travel activity kit specifically for the RV journey. Include items like coloring supplies, small toys, stickers, and activity books. Consider incorporating travel-themed activities, such as a map for them to track the journey or a journal for them to document their experiences. Having a dedicated activity kit will help keep the kids entertained and occupied during the drive. 4. Play road trip games. Engage the whole family in classic road trip games that encourage interaction and fun. Games like I Spy, the license plate game, 20 questions, or the alphabet game can entertain both kids and adults while making the journey more enjoyable. These games not only keep everyone entertained but also promote family bonding and create lasting memories. 5. Take frequent breaks. Break up long stretches of driving by scheduling regular stops at interesting locations along the way. Research scenic viewpoints, parks, or playgrounds where the kids can stretch their legs, run around, and burn off some energy. These breaks provide an opportunity for the whole family to enjoy the journey, explore new places, and take in the beauty of nature. 6. Explore nature together. Hybrid RV camping allows you to immerse your family in the beauty of nature. Encourage your kids to explore and engage with the natural surroundings. Go on nature walks, hike trails suitable for children, and point out interesting plants and wildlife. This hands-on experience will not only entertain them but also foster a love for the outdoors and a sense of curiosity about the natural world. 7. Plan campground activities. Many RV campgrounds offer a range of family-friendly activities and amenities. Take advantage of these offerings by participating in organized activities such as campfire storytelling, scavenger hunts, or outdoor movie nights. Check the campground schedule in advance and plan your stay to coincide with these events. 8. Encourage unplugged play. While technology can be a valuable source of entertainment, it's also important to encourage unplugged play and foster imagination and creativity. Encourage your kids to engage in outdoor activities like bike riding, nature exploration, building forts, or playing traditional camping games. Unplugged play allows them to connect with nature, use their imaginations, and create their own adventures. 9. Involve kids in campsite setup. Let your kids participate in setting up the campsite. Assign them age-appropriate tasks such as helping with tent setup, arranging camping chairs, or gathering firewood. Involving them in these activities not only keeps them occupied but also gives them a sense of responsibility and accomplishment. 10. Embrace the joy of campfire bonding. One of the best parts of RV camping is gathering around the campfire. Roasting marshmallows, telling stories, and singing songs are timeless traditions that bring families closer together. Encourage your kids to participate in these campfire activities and create cherished memories that they'll carry with them for years to come. Remember, flexibility and a sense of adventure are key when camping with kids. Be prepared to adapt your plans and embrace spontaneity. Allow them to have input in the itinerary and be open to exploring unexpected attractions or activities that capture their interest along the way. Hybrid RV camping with kids is a fantastic opportunity to create lasting family memories and foster a love for outdoor adventures. By incorporating these strategies and activities, you can keep your children entertained and happy on the road, ensuring a fun-filled and unforgettable camping experience for the whole family.